Hello students, let us start with today's topic of loops. Today I am going to discuss about some programming concept of the loop. Suppose we have to find out the sum of the series like this. The series may be like this: 1 over 4, 1 over 9, 1 over 16, up to so on, or this kind of series: 1 over 8, 1 over 27, 1 over 64, like this. Suppose the series is like this. For that, we have to write some header files. These are the necessary header files: stdio.h, conio.h, and math.h in C. Then the start of main function. Suppose I declare some variables I and sum is equal to 0. Then int n for the count. How many numbers, up to how many numbers you would like to display the series. Then printf, enter any integer value, scanf, %d, ampersand n. In this way you can enter any number. Then use for loop. I is equal to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. Then sum is equal to sum plus 1 divided by I. And in the last line, print sum. Can execute the program. Here you can write %f, then sum. Compile and run the program. Suppose I enter the value as 4. The answer is 2.083333. Now basically the output is not clear. We can write here, or you can say we can modify the program. You can write here sum of reciprocals from 1 to %d is equal to %.3f. Here you can write n, then sum. Now what is the meaning of this? while you execute the program, enter any value. Suppose I enter 5, sum of the reciprocals from 1 to 5, it's 2.283. Up to 3 point of decimal you can display the value, that's why I am writing 0.3f. And 1 to 5 it means 1 to n. Whatever the value you would like to enter, you can print that particular value here. Here you can print the value of n, 1 to n, then 0.3f, it means up to 3 point of decimal you can print the sum. Each time we are adding the value 1 over I. One more thing you can do, you can write here printf reciprocal of 0.0f is percentage 0.3f equal to, you can place here new line, first value is I and second is 1 over I. In this way you can display all the values in a reverse order. First value is 1, second is 1 over 2, third is 1 over 3. You can display the answer of all the reciprocals. Let's compile and run. You can modify the program according to your own way. Reciprocal of 1, okay, if one mistake is there, is equal to, like this. Now execute the program. Suppose I enter 7 here. Reciprocal of 1 is equal to 1.000. It's 1 over 1. It's 1 over 2. It's 1 over 3. 1 over 4. 1 over 5. 1 over 6 and 1 over 7. Now the addition of all the values, sum of the reciprocals from 1 to 7, it's 2.593. I think now it's okay. The second content is 1, 1 over 4, 1 over 9, 1 over 16. Simply you can do one change here. You can write I star I here. What you have to do, 1 over 4, basically square of this value is there, then square of 3 is there, square of 4 is there, nothing else. You can do necessary changes. I star I, here it's okay. Sum of squares of reciprocals. You can write here sum of the squares of reciprocals from 1 to whatever the number you would like to enter. Let's execute the program now. Suppose I enter 5 here. Now see the output. Reciprocal of 1 is reciprocal of 2. It's not reciprocal of 2. It's a reciprocal of square of 2. Okay. Reciprocal of square of. Now execute the program. Suppose I enter 5 here. Reciprocal of square of 1. Reciprocal of square of 2. It's 1 over 4. It's 1 over 9. Then 1 over 16 and 1 over 25. Now addition of all the values. Sum of the squares of reciprocals. 1 from 1 to 5. It's 1.464. In this way you can calculate the sum of this series. 1, 1 over 4, 1 over 9, 1 over 16 up to so on. I think you understand the content. Suppose I have to solve this problem, then simply what I have to do, I have to write cube here and you can write star I here. star I here, and you can write simply sum of the cubes of reciprocals from 1 to any number. Then execute. Suppose I write 6 here. Now check the output. Sum of reciprocal of cube of 1, it's 1. Reciprocal of cube of 2, it's 0.125. It's 1 over 8 basically. It's 1 over 9, and here 1 over 64, and 1 over 125, and 1 over 512, like this. Sum of the cube of reciprocal from 1 to 6. Now you can add all the values. This content is the addition. This value is the addition of all these values. Understanding of output is more important. By understanding output, you can write the program. Hope you understand the concept. These are the contents of addition of series 1, 1 over 2, 1 over 3, 1 over 4. And one more thing, this series is known as harmonic series. The first one. This series is known as harmonic series. And you can change also here. If I am writing 1 in place of 1, you can place 7. Suppose I write 7, 7 over 2, 7 over 3, 7 over 4. Then I can change the value accordingly. Here I can write 7. Here I can write 7, and you can find out the answer. Thanks for watching my video.